During extended camping trips, a good saw can serve you well in a variety of ways. Check out our top 3 picks of 2022. InstantAcres.com. In our number 3 spot is the Sky Ocean Pocket Chainsaw. This is a lightweight chain-style hand saw with a multi-purpose paracord handle. These loose chain-style saws are great for ultimate portability and can roll up tightly into a small carrying case. They're also great for tackling larger branches than just your normal hand saw. The only downside is that they can swing around, so they must be handled pretty safely. Normally this costs around $40, but right now you can pick this one up on sale for only about $20. At number 2 is the Corona Razor Tooth, which is a folding saw that is a great option for those who are looking for more of a traditional feel. It has a 7, 8, and 10-inch version to give you the options that best fit your needs or fit your pack a little better. It's comfortable in the hand, it's great for cutting medium to small size branches, and is really very durable. Currently, you can pick this up for only about $25. And coming in at number 1 is the Sportsman Pocket Chainsaw, which just like our number 3 pick is that loose style handsaw, and it's 36 inches long with a durable cross-stitch handles on it and a high carbon chain. It also comes with a compact carrying case, but it also has the added bonus of a small fire rod, which is a good quality fire rod, which is a nice little bonus, and you can currently pick this up for around $20. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to subscribe. Keep watching all of our other videos. Check us out on social media along with YouTube. We have Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to check us out at InstantAcres.com.